Okay, so this is where my rooftop deck overlooks. Again, we can look down there. You might remember blue tarps from earlier. Saw a dog, really cute dog. Not sure where he went. Anyhow, here we go. So you can see all building that is going on. Pretty amazing. And then over there in the distance is High Tech City. I told you it was the other way around. Let's see. Look over here. Oh look, there's some more neighborhood people. And let's keep walking. Let's look back. It's our little roof deck area. And behind that's the gym I'll never go to. And yep, there are my neighbors over there. And neighborhood kids playing down there in the dirt. Oh, that's what I heard. It looks like a concert hall over there. It's interesting. I won't be going over there. And again, the blue tarps. Okay, I don't know if this one will have turned out. Tried with the volume. Let's see. Did the volume work? We'll find out.